Right then, my fridge ain't starting or running. I've had this fridge all day yesterday from the deliveries and it worked fine. Got my last pallets off, switched it off as you do. Nice, peaceful, nice kept. Reloaded it this morning and it ain't running. Now what I've done is I've come down the road a bit because you don't want to start messing around with it in front of the office and on the left because I know something wrong with it then. There we go. I think I know what's wrong. That's a fuel problem. That's a fuel problem. So, if you come up here and open up the door. Oh, I think I know what to do. Fuel lift pump. Bleed valve. Now not all of them are like this. However, you know, the different makes of fridges have the pumps in different places, but if you follow the fuel line, there'll be some sort of fuel lift pump somewhere. It's also a lot easier if you drop the trailer and pull out a little bit. It gives you a bit more room, but we can't always do that, can we? I should pump away, get the fuel going. What I shall now do is switch the fridge on again. Let him do his thing. Do the valve up. Keep pumping. Single men are better at doing this. Pump like that. Keep pumping. Keep pumping. There we go. I've got arm ache now. See if it comes down on temperature. Yeah, no problem. There's a fuel pump somewhere. Not always that. Sometimes you get a blockage in the fuel pump, in the fuel pipe. I can't speak. Sometimes you get a blockage in the fuel pipe. Obviously, if that's the case, you've got to unblock the fuel pipe. Connecting the airline, disconnecting the airline from the fuel lift pump and blowing it out, and then rebleeding it might do it. The temperature's coming down. But a big problem I find is when people check the fuel. Sometimes what happens is people will move the fuel cap to check the fuel and they dunk a bit of wood down there or a bit of pallet, and a bit of wood breaks off, and then that bit of wood goes and wedges itself up the fuel pipe and you've got a blocked fuel pipe. That's why I always shine a torch down there so it doesn't happen. This one has got a fuel gauge on, but some trailers, they have fuel gauges that don't work, so you end up dunking it with a bit of pallet. Mark's top tip: never work on the fridge in the yard that you're delivering to or collecting from, because as soon as you open up them doors, they're going to suss something's wrong. So I always get it down the road a little bit. You know, you notice there's something wrong, I quickly clear the alarm, see if it'll start again. If that doesn't work, I'll come down the road a bit, fix it a bit down the road. Right, I would say that's sorted. Lovely job. That's running. We're running.